Get you a little more flour. The whole idea is to get that wet gone. We want to get enough flour in there we don't have any wet. Get you a little more flour. Not high. There you go. Low. You can watch, but you don't want to put your hands in that stuff.
No,
Stand right there and watch.
Zuck.
Look at her.
Zuck.
I'm not going to get it on you. Get you a little more flour.
It's Zucky, Baba.
Now squeeze, do it around like this. There you go. Get it going.
Whoa.
Perfect, Mo.
May wash your hands.
Get that little bit of flour right there. That's some of your mix right here. Get that in there. Yeah, there you go. No, not two hands, not two hands. You always just use one hand. Get you a little bit more flour. Just a tiny bit more flour. Right there. Right there. Right down there. Okay. Now put it in there now. Mix it together and then we finna turn it out and you finna make your biscuits.
Can I? Can I put my back set? Yeah.
Okay, now take you just a little bit, get your hand, get it a little bit, not that hand. You always cook with one hand and sprinkle it over that. Okay, now you ready?
Yeah.
Get you some flour.
Wait.
Let me show you something. Wet, flour this hand and flour that hand. Okay, now rub it together and you can get it all cleaned off. Look at there. Look at there. Look.
Here, hold that so I can give her her passing.
Sprinkle it out on, no, get you a little bit of flour on, yeah, and sprinkle it. That's too much, but that's good. Now spread it out. You gotta spread it way out. Way out. Okay, I'm gonna give you your dough. Or you wanna get your own dough?
No, you.
Me?
Yeah. What is that?
That's her biscuits that she's made all by herself.
Yeah.
Okay now. Whoops, you ain't supposed to sneeze on them. Turn to the side when you sneeze. Now turn it over like, flip it up. And smush it down. Now smush it all the way down. All out. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
How many wishes I have? Let me get better. That's enough, that's enough. Don't let it go tough.
Okay, don't work it no more.
It'll be tough if you keep
Can
working.
I pop it?
Here, make some square ones.
Yes.
Okay. Get another one.
I'm gonna get it out, Mamie.
We'll get it out in a minute. She's gonna cut them all
Mama,
out.
put it right here to stop it though.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Baba.
You really ain't supposed to turn them, but that's okay. You'll seal the edges. That's okay. Get you some more flour.
Now just poke it down and pick it up.
There you go.
And put it right there.
Good, pick it up.
Now pick it up.
Pick up, Mama. Mommy, can I pick it up?
Yeah. Pick it up and put it on here.
Mommy, come get
Pick
it
it
out.
up. You just pick it up with your fingers.
I can't. I
Just
don't
like that. See how Mo's
it.
doing? Do easy. You're going to break it. You got to get it all together. It's okay. It's okay.
Can you get me it? Yeah.
Okay. Put it on here.
There you go.
Very good. Put it right over there, Mama. There you go. Good girl.
Can you give me that one?
You get that one by yourself right there, Mike Wilder.
I
Yes, you
can't.
can.
Let me open.
No, let him. Oh, you going to hold him?
That.
Put it right here.
No.
No, you put it right there.
A poke.
It's okay to be broke. Okay, now got to get your stuff all back up together like that. Get it all together. You're not going to do it?
Let me do another one.
You have to do like this. We
You have
got
to make
use
more
this.
biscuits.
See, you have to just fold it over.
Why have I make my back set?
Because you don't want to, that'd be a waste to waste all that.
Now, flatten them out a little bit. I wouldn't flatten them too much.
Can I
Okay,
do it,
here, that's
Mimi?
enough.
No way. Maybe I can do it.
Okay, that's enough, baby. That's enough. That's why yours are breaking. You're making them too flat. Okay, we can't make biscuits real flat.
No.
Okay, cut it way up here on the edge.
I need some.
Okay, that's good. Now, can you pick it up? Here, Mo. Do your other one right there.
Wait.
Can you pick it up, why?
Well, I'll do it.
No!
Okay, you do it. Okay. Can you pick that one up, Wilder, that you made?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Here, let me find a place to put them. Put yours right there. Oh, Wilder's putting his right there. Okay. That's all right. Put yours right there, Mo.
Maybe you can put that one right over there.
Mammy's going to put it right here.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough. Y'all ain't wasting too much.
Look, them hey.
Go ahead. Say here, Mo, point at them. Say, here's my biscuits.
And my pieces. And we not gonna make another.
Not gonna make another one, y'all. Just out. That enough?
Dada. Yeah.
Knew it was it. Knew it.
Mo, look. That's Mo's. 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 That's Mo's.